Hi, my name is Tiago Soares, and I'm a master's student at Instituto Superior Técnico of the University of Lisbon. And in this video, I'll be showcasing a demonstration ebook I have created for my master's project. This ebook is a dual-language audiobook, much like the traditional dual-language books in existence today, to which I have added audio support and a collection of serious games. It was created by a completely automated process. This process is generic and thus may create any ebook given the necessary transcripts and audio. Pressing any portion of text causes the audio to start playing from the beginning of the selected sentence. Tapping anything else on the screen will halt the audio playback. Let's try that now.
Nessas ocasiões, não valia a pena dirigir-lhe a palavra, pois, embora o corpo estivesse presente,
I pause the audio by tapping the blank space around the text. You may have noticed by now that some of the words are underlined. These words are considered to be of interest to the reader, and pressing them will bring up the dictionary definition. We will look into these dictionary definitions when we explore the dictionary mode later on. Now, to resume the audio, I have several options. I may press the sentence that was being read. I can press another sentence to either skip ahead or return to a previous point, or I can access the menu and press the resume button. Let's open the menu and observe the functionalities it offers. Now we may press the Help button on the menu's top right-hand corner to get a short description of what each button does. We are able to pause, resume, and rewind the audio playback, repeat the active sentence, activate one-by-one mode, making it so that audio playback is paused at the end of each sentence. We may reduce the audio speed through a toggle, and lastly, we can activate dictionary mode. Before resuming the audio, let's try something different. Let us explore other functions by reducing the playback speed and activate one-by-one mode. Now, when we resume playback by pressing a sentence further down the script,
nunca levantava a voz. Quanto mais zangado estivesse, mais baixo havia de falar.
the audio immediately pauses at the end of the sentence, and, as expected, it played at a slower pace. Let's say, for the sake of demonstration, that we did not understand the meaning of one of the words in that sentence. Well, luckily for us, the ebook offers a dictionary mode. To enable it, we press a dictionary button, which underlines all words for which a definition is available. Now, upon pressing one of these words, we would be presented with its definition. However, as I am making this demonstration on the development environment, I am unable to, as it is a functionality exclusive to Apple's iBooks application on the iPad and iPhone. On those systems, this is the result of tapping one of the words. Tapping anywhere outside the box takes us back to the ebook. Finally, having served its purpose, we can now disable the dictionary mode and resume reading and listening to the ebook. These are the main features contained in the ebook, which aim to enable a better analysis of the second language text and audio. We can now move forward towards the final page of the ebook that regards the serious games with which readers may put their new knowledge to test and self-assess their progress and understanding on the second language. We are now presented with the serious games main menu. From here, we may select which game we wish to play and check on previous progress. On the left, a short description of the games is presented. Fill in the blanks is a game of self-assessment in which a whole page from the book is shown to the player, with a few select missing words. The player has to fill in the blanks as the sentences are revealed. Results are shown in the end, scoring the player's performance, and are saved for future reference. There is an interface which grants hints that may be used for particularly difficult situations. Hints are earned as the player correctly answers questions and expended whenever a hint is requested. Word Blitz is a quicker game where a single sentence in blank is displayed, and progress is measured by the number of consecutive correct answers. Although hints are disabled for this game mode, correct answers will award hints you can use in fill in the blanks. Let's explore the second game, Word Blitz, first.
A maior parte dos serviços era feita pelos irmãos leigos que não iam à igreja nas áreas menores, às terça, sexta e noa, mas rezavam onde estivessem.
As per the previous description, this is a quick game where the player is required to fill a single blank in a sentence. Notice that as we correctly identify the words, the hint's progress bar grows. When it fills entirely, a hint is added to the counter and may be used in the other game. Successive correct answers will begin a streak, which is tracked at the top left. An all-time record is also displayed. This game is intended to provide the player with a low-pressure environment in which to test their knowledge. The rewards, in form of hints for the more difficult game where score is tracked, serves as a motivation for the continued learning process. Let's go back and try fill in the blanks. Choosing this game will open a window where all past best scores are tracked for each game page. We may start the game by either selecting one of the listed pages or by pressing the random button at the bottom of the window. Let's go with the second option and see which page awaits us.
Frei Bernardo observava-o discretamente sem nada dizer. Manuel tinha recuperado as cores e girava pela cozinha numa dobradora.
Similarly to the previous game, a single sentence is shown. However, more than one blank may be present per sentence. Also, as we submit the answers, new sentences are revealed. Here, each page is evaluated as a whole, and so we should be extra careful before submitting and make sure each word is written correctly. Should a word prove too difficult to translate, one could access the hint menu. Opening the hint menu by pressing any part of the hint's UI displays two options for hints. The first hint simply marks the answer as correct or incorrect, but in a non-permanent answer, so that the player may edit it should it be incorrect. The second option will automatically fill the blank with a partial solution, which corresponds to the starting letters of the missing word. This often proves to be very helpful, as knowing the first letters of a word allows for a more precise distinction of the word during audio playback. Let's quickly fill in the rest of the blanks and get a result. We have completed the whole page and managed to correctly identify 12 out of the 20 words, for which we were awarded with an A grade. If this is our all-time best score for this page, it will be recorded and saved in the series game's main screen, as you can see here. We completed page 6, and our score is now recorded. This sums up all the content that one may experience when using the ebook. It provides tools that allow for a better analysis of both audio and text in a second language, and a means of self-assessing one's progress in written vocabulary, spelling, and word comprehension. I hope you enjoyed the features I demonstrated in this video. Thank you for watching.